Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy frozen yogurt banana snacks. For this craft, you'll need a paper plate, 1 large ripe banana, a fork, and a knife to cut your banana with. You'll also need some flavored yogurt. I'm using strawberry and blueberry flavored yogurt, but you are always welcome to use whatever flavors that you have at home. To make the project easier, I decided to put my yogurt in little bowls. The first thing you want to do is open your banana. Now you're going to get your knife and you're going to slice up your banana. Once you're done slicing up your banana, you're going to get your fork and your yogurt of choice, and you're just going to put your banana slice in the yogurt, making sure to cover the entire surface of your banana with yogurt. And once you're done with that, you're just going to take it out and put it back in the paper plate. Since I'm using 2 different kinds of yogurts, I'm going to cover only some of my bananas with the strawberry and leave the rest for the blueberry. Now that I'm done covering some of my bananas with strawberry yogurt, I'm going to finish the rest of my banana slices with blueberry yogurt, making sure to follow the same steps as before. Once you're done covering your bananas with the yogurt, they should look something like this. Now we're just going to take our yogurt covered bananas and put them in the freezer for 1 hour. Once they're done and all frozen, they'll look something like this, and now you have a fun and delicious treat to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.